Hi guys, this is Red Baron here. Basically, it's just a quick video. I'm not very good at doing things like this, so it's just basically to say thank you. We're just going to switch that to there. Just to say thank you to you guys for chipping in and getting me a new microphone for my stream. Obviously, this is what I'm using to record this. We've got a little bit of playing about to do to configure it and get it optimal, but I really do appreciate you guys all chipping in and getting this for me. So yeah, again, all I can say obviously is thank you very much, and you know, hopefully it's going to push my stream a bit further forward, and obviously we now got the quality sound going, so all we need to do next is webcam. We're getting there. We're getting there. So again guys, big thank you very much from myself. Really do appreciate it. Thank you very much for everybody who chipped in. So yeah, I hope to speak to you all on TS and in game. Alright, okay, this is Red Baron. I'm signing off again.